Es que un beef tenga mucho más apoyo que un capítulo musical. Y esta vez, como siempre, es obligatorio usar auriculares y disfruten de la película. Bienvenidísimos sean todos a un nuevo capítulo musical. Es Classic Bargain Music, es obligatorio usar auriculares. Es de tus principios, es de lo más importante, sin cambiar tu personalidad por no decepcionarles. Culos torturadores del mundo, acabar con el mal es el objetivo más rotundo. Arriesgarse a ganar la partida, dar contra el muro, tirarte hacia el precipicio aunque no te sientas seguro. Otros que eran amigos y se pusieron escudo y ahora me escriben privados pues que les den por el cucu.
Cuando la experiencia te da personalidad, a luchar cuando creo que es la verdad, a defenderme saber, mi opinión la llevaré, te cueste lo que cuesta al final. Cuando la experiencia te da personalidad, a luchar cuando creo que es la verdad, a defenderme saber, mi opinión la llevaré, me cueste lo que cuesta al final.
Estás quieto el destino, hay que luchar por el trofeo. Voy a contracorriente aunque todo pinte tan feo, tan feo. Soy fuerte y contra todo peleo.
God, you know everybody gonna listen to that. Are you kidding me? You're God and filing this still hear me do. You're perfect till you lose. Now make me too angry, immune. Now bullying it, now you too. Make me muted, now you mad. Now do little, why do you laugh? Do yourself and in my page. Now you okay, let's play! Are you kidding me now? 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 We are the best to see. Now you got I'm the free. And do you do something that's coming back? I ain't coming back with you. Okay. Let's see one more time. You come back now. Let's sing it now. Feeling. Do you let's see begin on? Last the break. Let's begin on. Of course me. Now don't listen to blood music. Now don't make me angry. Do you make a feeling? Now don't make it. Do you see? Do you let you be angry? Do you make a feeling? Much better in on the clock. You know the listening, you know the ball inside the box, and I see, and I have the feeling, everything. Now don't say it works. Now I'm feeling this is now the adios. Let's see one more time, let's be the final boss. You we are the land that breaks my mind. You will live now, let's see. Do you tell me? Do you happy? Let's break a break. Let's be angry. Let's see breaking on you stay. Now let's see break for me. Do angry, do yourself. Now do laughing with me. Do listening. Now. You got the robot. 1, 2, 3, come on.